The 5 Best Keurig Coffee Makers. One of the greatest innovations in the history of workday mornings has been the Keurig Coffee Maker, otherwise known as the single-serve coffee maker. Drop in your pod or K-Cup. Set to brew, and instant caffeine goodness flows in mere minutes. No messy cans or dealing with filters. The prices are more expensive than a traditional coffee maker, but they take up little space. Chances are more than a couple Keurig coffee pot styles can be found in a corner at your office or place of business. With more choices than ever, there's plenty of options for different needs and price points, whether you're a sophisticated coffee drinker or just enjoy a cup periodically. Here are some of the best Keurig coffee makers you can get online right now. Number 5. Keurig K Supreme. The K Supreme is the latest version of the K Elite, the top-of-the-line model in the Keurig lineup. The K Supreme brewing technology runs quieter than older models. It can also warm up water for those who prefer hot tea over a morning coffee. The K Supreme is thinner than the K Elite, making it easier to fit in the kitchen, and comes with more options for preparing your single-serve cup of coffee, from an iced coffee button to a strength control. Number 4. Keurig K Mini Plus. The K Mini Plus is an upgrade of the K Mini, which features more travel-friendly options. The water reservoir on the K Mini Plus is removable, unlike the K Mini. It can also store 9 pods in the back of its housing. The K Mini Plus is the same size as the K Mini, so these options won't mean making more space for the coffee maker if you're traveling. It also comes in several different color combinations. Number 3. Keurig K Mini. The Keurig K Mini is one of the most popular Keurig models on the market. Only 5 inches wide, it fits anywhere and will brew 2 different coffee cup sizes. The electric cord wraps up for easy storage and makes for a good travel coffee maker. It also accommodates taller travel cups. Number 2. Keurig K Elite. The highest rated Keurig on Amazon, the Keurig K Elite is also one of the most expensive. It includes 5 different brew sizes, comes with a button to adjust the brew strength of each cup, and has a 75 ounces removable water reservoir that fills 8 coffee cups before it needs to be refilled. There's even a brew setting to make iced coffee, an option for hot water on demand, and it runs quieter than past models. It also has a removable drip tray, and the housing will accommodate most travel mugs. Number 1. Keurig K-Café Smart. The Keurig K-Café Smart has newer features that K-Cup lovers will find appealing. What's great about this coffee maker is that it allows you to customize your coffee to AT. Use the connected app to choose from different hot or cold frothing levels. You can also set it to brew a cup over ice or make a strong brew of double espresso. Plus, this Keurig got an upgraded milk frother that our reviewers say performs very well.